Dirty puppy sits alone on a roadside in the rain. Big sad eyes, trembling body, rich people in fancy clothes laugh and point at the puppy. Poor people also ignore and mock him. The puppy notices an old man struggling to walk. He gently walks beside him, helping him cross the road. The puppy shares his small piece of food with another hungry animal. His tail slowly wags despite being weak. The puppy is now clean, happy, and surrounded by love. Warm sunlight, joyful faces. Text on screen. A kind heart makes you rich.